simple project using some blocks we learned, like the sounds tabs. And we're going to use some looks too, but we'll also use some very simple ones like control and events. So I hope you guys can follow along. So let's get to it. Let me open my project. This is a fun project to show how to use some looks and sound blocks with some controls and events. Let me first run it. Isn't that cool? I will show you how the code behind it works. So first you need to start off with an event. In this case, my event is when green flag clicked. Remember, when you first create your project, you have the scratch cat showing up as default sprite. I think we all know that cats can dance. So you have to delete the cat sprite first and add a new sprite. In this case, we want to dance to music. You have to search for dance. And how about we choose ballerina? Okay, let's choose ballerina. You know that sprites have different costumes. Let me show you what we have under costume tab for ballerina. You can see 4 different costumes for ballerina, and they are all different poses, which is perfect for us. So, by switching between these 4 costumes in our code, we can make the ballerina look like she's dancing. We also need to find a stage for the ballerina to dance on. So, go to backdrops and search for concert or spotlight. I choose spotlight in this case. You can choose concert or anything else, or even upload your own backdrop, which I showed earlier. Now let us get to the code details. Let me take it out and show by adding one after the other. First, we have the when green flag clicked as our event, and we already added a backdrop here. So when we first start the dance, we want ballerina to start in a specific costume and not in any random costume. So that's why I use the switch costume block from the look section. So our code will always start with the same costume for a sprite. That's what this block is used for in this code. Okay, now we need some music for the ballerina to dance. I just added this dance magic sound and I'll show you how to do it. Let's head to the sounds tab where you can choose the sound by clicking the search button. Or you can click the sound button with a plus. And let's search up dance. Okay, we have these dances up. So I chose dance magic. There's some other ones like dance funky, dance chill. See, there's some really good ones. That's why I chose the dance ones. So let's choose dance magic this time. We already have dance magic, so I think we're good. So let's go back to the code section. Now we got that sounds block, and we need to add it to our project in the code. So you need to add it right under the switch costume to ballerina A. Now let's test it out. But wait, the ballerina is not dancing. She's just standing there. So you will need to change the costume by using the next costume block. So you will need to keep adding code for every costume to make it look like it's dancing. Instead, we will just use the forever loop and add next costume block within the forever loop. Okay, let's try it out. Oops! That's way too fast. So what do we need to do? Yes, that's right. Add wait 0.5 seconds under the next costume. Let's try it out now. Let's click on the green flag. Perfect! Okay, we got it working. I hope you understood the code behind this simple project. I hope you enjoyed doing this project with me. So, keep using your creativity to make new projects and keep coding. Let's keep coding.